Today we are going to make a quick review about Google My Business. So, what is Google My Business? Basically, it's a powerful free marketing tool which can attract customers to your website or your front door. It allows small businesses to draw more customers to their website or to their business, right? So how does it work? You just search for it, Google My Business in Google, and you can register in this page. You can create a free website with Google My Business, and you can engage with people like in Facebook, making comments, sharing photos, etc. The thing is, it's quite overwhelming to set up. So I got something for you which will really help will help you. So how to set up correctly Google My Business? I mean, it's quite overwhelming for a new small businesses like a restaurant or a barbershop to set up this kind of software. Here's how it looks when you make a search for here I am searching for a restaurant, and this is how it looks. It's like a mixture between Google Map and Google Place as well. To set up Google My Business correctly, you do need a training. I mean, you can do it by your own, but with a training that will be more easier for you to set up correctly Google My Business and to be on the front of the search engine. And here it is, a complete training guide, Google My Business 2.0. So we are going to take a quick look at it. You have all this content, how to set up, how to getting started with Google My Business, the importance of business listing, latest Google My Business update you should know, and improving local SEOs and your company's GMB page ranking, tips to improve Google Place page ranking, things you might not know about Google My Business categories. A lot of good stuff to learn. So this is the training guide, and you've got also some other things including. First of all, you've got a video, Google My Business 2.0 HD video training, all about mastering Google My Business, latest GMB updates and features for local SEO, how to do GMB posts, help small businesses in marketing effectively, how to create effective Google My Business posts, things you should know about Google My Business categories, and Google My Business Insight, a quick guide. How do you optimize your Google My Business listing? How to use Google My Business website builder, tips to avoid common Google My Business mistakes, and how to rank your Google Place My Business page, adding video to Google My Business, tracking Google My Business traffic data, and how does Google My Business improve local SEO. tips to make the most out of your Google My Business listing. So 15 videos and a complete training guide, Google My Business 2.0 with PLR. That means you can keep the product and resell it with 100% profits. So now let's take a look at the sales page. This course covers how to get started with creating and claiming your GMB account. Why do you need to list your business in local SEO, which are the latest Google My Business updates you should know? How can you improve in local SEOs and how it affects your company's GMB page rankings? In what way you can improve Google Places page ranking? What are the important things you might not know about Google My Business categories? Your comprehensive and complete Google My Business optimization checklist. What tips can car dealers follow to rank higher on Google My Business? How can restaurants use Google My Business for menu, listing, and local post and rank higher in local SEO? What are the most common Google My Business mistakes and how to fix them? How to analyze and measure Google My Business traffic data? Some best business case study leveraging GMB platform to drive sales and revenue. And this product costs basically $9.95, basically $10. So here's the package. Module 1, Premier Training Guide on Google My Business 2.0 for marketers. This training here, and the second module, well-designed sales page copy, sales demo video, professionally designed graphics. The value of the graphics is $200. I mean, this option is cool. I mean, this is basically cool to have more graphics. And you've got animated banners, professionally created expert email template, professional mini site. You can create as much site as you want, and you can click here for a demonstration, a demo. Legal page, social media graphics, PDF graphics, and you've got also my 2 bonuses I have included in the link below. 2 ebooks which will help small businesses grow online. So to sum up, Google My Business 2.0 is delivered with a complete training guide and 15 videos, graphic design, banners, mini sites, and template of emails for $9.95. The link to the sales page is down below the description, and you've got also 2 bonuses, 2 ebooks which will help your business grow online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment below, and see you next time. Ciao.